Tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Docusign is your answer, and in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a contract and even sign it yourself. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, you'll see the home dashboard. Click on the New button, usually located at the top left or center of the screen, and select Send an Envelope. Now it's time to add your recipients. Enter the name and email address of each person who needs to sign the document. If you need to sign the document yourself, add your own email address to the recipient list. You can specify the signing order by dragging and dropping the names. Next, upload your contract. Click the Upload a Document button and select the file from your computer. Docusign supports various file formats like Word, PDF, and more. Now comes the fun part, adding the signature fields. Drag and drop the signature field from the left-hand panel onto the document where each person needs to sign. You can also add other fields like date signed, initial, or text for them to fill out. Select the appropriate recipient from the drop-down menu at the top to assign each field correctly. If you need to sign the document yourself, Docusign will prompt you to sign after you send it. Just click the Sign button. You can choose to draw your signature, upload an image of your signature, or select a pre-generated signature style. Once everyone has signed, you'll receive a notification and a fully executed copy of the contract, and that's it. You've successfully sent and signed a contract using Docusign. Streamlining your workflow has never been easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.